how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So if you want to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, now what you need to do is just simply go with live, which is on the upper left. Because you don't have the live option on the bottom middle, you can go with live, which is on the upper left. Tap on live, and here you will have all of the live videos. So if you want to go live, then you can just ask the person to accept your join request. So you can simply tap on the bottom where you'll have the guest option. So you just need simply tap on the guest. And once you tap on it, now you need to tap on request. And once you tap on request, then you'll be able to join the live. And in this way, you'll be able to go live on TikTok. So that's how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.